Hi everyone, thanks for tuning in today. And as you can see, I've got another Amazon package here to unbox for you guys. So in my recent video, I decluttered a lot of my old nail polishes, and I hope you guys enjoyed that video. And one of the reasons why I decluttered a lot of my old nail polishes was because I was getting in a bunch of new nail polishes, which were gel polishes that I can use with my gel lamp. Now, these are gel nails that I did about a week ago now. I did them on Monday last week, and I did this kind of nude color from the same brand, Kastiny, and that is the brand of gel polishes that I got in today. And so I've had these for about a week now, and I'm not the greatest person at doing my nails, but I think they look really good, and they have lasted all week, haven't peeled, haven't chipped, just look really, really good and amazing, and I love them. Now, I don't have the prettiest hands or fingernails, but I do like to paint my nails, and I do like to use gel nails because they do last for a while. But I tried gel nails before and I didn't have any luck with them. I think the lamp that I had was not strong enough. And so this time when I bought a lamp, I bought a 75 watt nail UV lamp, which is working really good for me. So if you guys are interested in actually seeing me do the gel nails, seeing the process and how these work, do leave a comment down below and I'll be happy to do a how-to video for you guys and show you what I use. But this is saving me so much money. When I went to get a gel manicure at the nail salon, it was about $30 for the gel manicure, not including the tip. And I had to wait for like an hour to be seen. You know, it's just such a long and expensive process, and I love doing my nails at home. So this brand is a brand that I absolutely love, and I bought more nail polishes. Now, they don't have names, they just have numbers. I don't remember the exact number of this, but I'll try to leave it down below. But it's a really pretty nude color. So today's unboxing is going to be the other nail polishes that I got from the brand Kastiny, and I got them off of Amazon. Let's go ahead and open this up. So I'm not going to be trying them out today, and I can't really swatch them for you guys because gel nails cure under the UV lamp, so they're not going to look exactly the same, but you will be able to see the colors of the polishes on the tops of the bottles. And like I said, if you guys are interested in seeing me do a actual tryout with you guys and actually show you how I do them, leave a comment down below and I'll use these polishes in that video. So let's open the box up. Got some air packs in here. And here is the box of polishes. I'm going to move that out of the way. So we got Kastiny is the name of the brand. Their boxes look really cute. They always have this floral motif on them. This is the rainbow. On here it says for Christmas New Year gift, but this is the rainbow set. There's a rainbow set, there's a mermaid glitter set, and I got the one that says the rainbow set, so I'll try to leave a link to it down below. It's a set of 24 polishes plus 3 polishes, which are a top coat, a base coat, and a matte top coat. So there's a glossy top coat and a matte, and they're all included in here. So here's the box. It's got the ingredients on it there. That's what it looks like. Let's go ahead and open this box up. All right, and there it is. I love the way they have these packaged up, really nice and neat. Actually, I think I'm going to end up keeping these polishes in this box because they're just so neatly organized, and I absolutely love how neat they are. So I'm going to end up keeping them in here. So these are about the size of the bottles. They're not very big, but they're about the typical size of a gel nail polish. So I'll go through these and I'll kind of show you the colors. So this is the matte top coat. You get 7.5 milliliters or 0.25 fluid ounces in the bottle. We got that. We got a base coat. We have a glossy top coat. So I do like that you get these. I got these in my other package that I bought, which was a set of 6. And I got these in there as well. So now I have extras, and I'm not sure how long each bottle really lasts for, but when you apply the gel polish, you do thin coats. You do about 3 coats total of a thin coat. So I think it's going to last me quite a long ways. All right, so this is the size of the color, and these are smaller. So these are actually 5 milliliters or 0.17 fluid ounces. So they are quite small, a lot smaller than these. And actually, I feel like in the other package that I got a set of 6, the polishes were this size as well. But in this one, the polishes are a lot smaller. So you're probably going to get less uses from each bottle, but you do have 24 bottles. So if you like a color you really like, you can see if it's offered in one of the like 6-packs where you actually get a bigger bottle of it. But, you know, because this is kind of like a big set, there's quite a lot of colors here, so I can always repurchase it too. It's only $17 for all of these polishes, which I think is a really good deal. So this first one is C024, and it looks like a really pretty glittery orange. Yep. That's nice. All right, we got C023, which looks like maybe some kind of dark green, glittery. Yep. Looks really pretty. I think I'm going to really like that one. This is C022, a nice dark emerald green. Very nice. I like that. Gel polishes are also pretty thick, but like I was saying, you only need to apply a thin coat, and you do 3 coats. So that's why they look so thick. This is C021, looks like a nice kind of corally red maybe. Yeah, definitely a nice red. C020. This looks maybe like even a black, which I hope not, because I don't really wear a lot of black polish, but yeah, it is black. All right, we got C019. It looks like maybe a clear glittery coat. Yeah, definitely. That's nice because you can use that over many different polishes. C018, bright red orange maybe. Ooh, no, actually it's more of a light kind of peachy orange. That's pretty. C017 looks like a gold-based glitter, like a red, a rose gold. Yeah, very nice. I like that one. C016 looks like maybe a like mauvey purple. Oh, it's like a gray tone purple. Got C015, kind of looks similar to what I have on today. Let's see. I'm curious. It's a little bit different of a shade, but it's similar. Very pretty color, though. Got C014. That looks like a kind of pastel purple pink. C013. This does look like a mauve. Yeah, it is mauve. See how stringy it is? But that's normal for gel polishes. That's how they look. So they are a little bit more thick. C012 looks like a violet. Oh no, actually that's more of like a blue violet. Very pretty color. I like that color. C011 is a bright green. Yep. Ooh, I like that. That's nice. I do like my bright neon colors. Just like this one. This is a bright yellow green, not a yellow orange. Let's see. Oh yes, I love my bright colors. Yeah, that'll look really nice. C009. This looks like a red, maybe? Yeah, it's kind of like a lighter, kind of poppy red. That's pretty. C008 looks like a fuchsia. Oh, it's more like a bright magenta pink. We got C007 is maybe a pale pink. Yeah, like a Barbie pink, which is really nice. I like that. There's a good variety of colors in this set. They have a set of fall colors, which I'm thinking about getting as well. C006, lovely Tiffany blue. Look at that. That is pretty. Then we got C005, lilac maybe? Yeah, really pretty. I had a color on like this once before. Really, really liked it. I thought it was so pretty. Very flattering color, so I'm excited about that. C004, maybe it's a pale blue. Oh yeah, that's a pretty color. I love that kind of color. C003, pastel pink maybe? Yeah. C002 looks like a light coral, kind of a beige almost. And the last shade is probably a white, C001. Yep, that's a white. So you could do a French with this one and maybe with this, you know, kind of beige color as well. So yeah, that's all the polishes in here. I think they look really pretty. And I do like the glitters in here. I kind of wish there was a few more glitters, but I think it's a good variety of colors and I'm really happy. And these are just so shiny, so pretty. I can't believe it's been a week and they still look this good. So I am very excited to use these polishes, to try out all these colors. I'm excited about some colors more than others. And I do want to say this does come with a little user manual, which I found very helpful. It does give you some good tips in some different languages, and it just kind of tells you how to best apply these polishes and steps to take, which I think is very, very helpful. So I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. What do you think of these colors? And do you do your own gel nails at home, or have you ever thought about it? I just really am so impressed with this polish, and I am so excited to use the rest of these. I honestly am just really excited. I can't wait. I don't want to take this color off, but at the same time, I'm so excited to try out all these other colors. So let me know what you guys think down below. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos, and click the notification bell so you can be notified of my future videos. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.